Hi, my name is Arlene Faulk, and I'm a Tai Chi teacher in Evanston and Chicago, Illinois. We're going to focus on doing some movements that are fundamentals of Tai Chi seated in a chair. Important things to mention when we think about sitting in a chair, particularly with Tai Chi and starting with alignment. So whatever kind of chair you have is fine, except obviously you don't want to have a Burka lounger or something that is so comfortable you're going to lounge back in the chair. And it might sound sort of silly to say that, but we get into bad habits and we like the comfy chairs and we sit back like this and are not paying a lot of attention. So one of the things that we can do, first of all, that's going to help us feel better is create more space in our body. So if you have a chair with a straight back, that's helpful. If not, have one that has where you can lean back. If you are able and your back is strong enough, you want to sit forward on the chair, feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart, thinking about a string that's gently pulling you up so you have nice posture and alignment. If for some reason you don't have a strong back, it's okay to sit back in the chair and press your back into the chair. When you press your back into the chair with your shoulders down, that's also going to help with alignment. In my classes that I teach, I occasionally do have people sitting in chairs, and some have strong backs and some don't. So either is okay. You just need to know where your starting point is. I know about doing this because the first year or so of my own Tai Chi practice, I did sitting in a chair. I had terrible balance and I was using a cane and wobbly enough that I could not trust standing and doing movements. So I am a firsthand example of knowing that Tai Chi can have very, very strong and good effects in a chair. So let's start with that. I'm going to sit up, and if you can, please do that, thinking about your whole top of your body you want directly over your hips. And again, think about that string. I find that string very helpful because it's a very gentle way to help your alignment. Okay, so let's just shake out a little bit. Start to relax and bring your arms down to your side. We're going to start moving our energy throughout our body, nice and gentle. So let's bring the energy up the center of the body with your arms coming up about chest level, and bring your arms in towards your chest. And then turn your palms out, nice and gentle, and slowly bring your arms down to your side. Gravity's going to want to bring your arms down faster than you, so we'll be mindful and slow it down a little bit, all the way down. And let's do that again. When inhale, we want to breathe and palms into the chest. And exhale in exertion. And again, slowly bring your arms down to your side. If you need to take more breaths than I am, please do. I want you to keep breathing and not hold your breath. And that sometimes is an easy thing to do. We get so focused on the movements themselves, we forget to breathe. So just breathe and palms out and coming down to the side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring our left arm up by itself. Bring your arm up, and I want you to just extend your fingertips. And now you're going to turn so the arm in the palm is facing you. Have your middle finger a little bit below eye level, and just a little bit of space in between your body and your arm. Anytime you bring your arm in towards your body, you constrict your energy, so we want to keep it out. Now, what we're going to do is, we know what it's like to take our arm out like this, but we're going to relax our arms and our hands. And we're just going to move from here. Just a tiny movement from here. Yes, we can move from here. We maybe haven't thought about it before. We're going to take a small move, a couple inches, over in front of our left leg. And then we're going to bring our waist back to center. And inhale and exhale down. Bring that energy down the center. And now let's do the other arm. Let's inhale and exhale. Remember, keep a little space in between your body and your arm. And I like to put my fingers here just so I can feel the little bit of movement as we're going to move here as we inhale. And then exhale back to center. See how tiny it is? And inhale and exhale. Why is that important? It's important because the more we can relax our arms and our hands and our fingers, the more effective our energy is going to flow. And inhale, and it helps us relax. Inhale and exhale. Relax the elbow. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale down. Let's do the other arm again as we inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale back to center. And inhale and exhale. Let's do one more each side. It's a very good exercise to help us relax too. As we inhale and exhale. Now imagine a line that goes from, say, your belly button all the way up to the string that I was talking about, up to the eyes. We're going to just move that line as an individual unit. And now exhale back to center. Start to connect the body and exhale. We don't disconnect arms and legs, and hips and our through Tai Chi. We try to get the body moving as a single unit. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale back to center. And inhale. And exhale down. Now bring your arms up again, about chest level. Lower your elbows and bring your arms and your hands and your fingers up. And let's turn and have the palms face each other. And just wiggle the fingers a little bit so that we relax them. Okay, we have this nice airy energy ball. I like to think of the little Tinkerbell dust that's floating around here, nice and airy and relaxed. And we're going to work with this ball, thinking about our center of gravity right here as we're going to expand as we inhale and then exhale. And inhale and exhale. Now continue as we inhale. It's tiny. We're not pumping a ball. It's just we're using our breath as we inhale and exhale. This exercise, working with the ball, is excellent for balance. Got good alignment. Our feet are hip width apart. And even though we're seated, it's really helping us with our alignment and with our balance. So if we do and can stand, it's going to and likely improve. Maybe slowly, but over time. That's what happened for me. I spent the first year and a half of my Tai Chi working this ball every day, twice a day. It was really effective. So let's inhale and then exhale. Inhale. Let's do a couple more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now inhale, extend your arms gently out in front, palms face each other, and bring your arms down to your side. So I really want to thank you for joining me for these Tai Chi in a chair exercises. If you spend just a few minutes every day, it could be 5 minutes, 10 if you can do that, it will bring attention and focus to better alignment and better balance.